What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best beard trimmers in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. If you want to save money and still get a product of decent quality, we say check out the kingc Gillette Beard Trimmer, also known as the best budget beard trimmer on the market in 2023. What we like the most about this beard trimmer is its price and how well it performs in everyday use. This product contains 3 heads for different beard types: 3-day beard, short beard, and a long beard. Something fundamental that's always looked for in any of these machines is battery life. In this case, we like that the autonomy is 50 minutes after charging. As for the shave, it doesn't tug if you have a long beard, something that is essential in our book. The perfect product for those who dare to experiment with cutting facial hair. This shaving device stems from the knowledge and experience of the company's own engineers. It includes 3 different combs that'll allow you to create all kinds of looks regardless of your style. You also get to utilize 11 different length settings for all your beard trimming needs. The product also includes a precision trimmer on the back of the head that'll allow you to dive into those hard-to-reach places. The kingc Gillette Beard Trimmer is easy to use, comfortable, and extremely versatile. The beard trimmer head and combs can be easily washed under running water. At the edges of your facial hair, use a beard trimmer without a comb for the best results. If you want a shorter beard, use the 3 11mm short beard comb for a neatly trimmed full beard. And to maintain a long beard, use the 13 21mm beard comb. When used without a comb, the beard trimmer cuts facial hair to a length of 0.5mm. And finally, we'll note that the product comes in a package of 4.37 by 2.21 by 8.98 inches, while its weight is 10.5 ounces. For the listed price, you can't beat this one. If you're looking for the top bang for the buck, we have especially singled out the Hatteker Beard Trimmer Kit for you as the best value beard trimmer on the market in 2023. When we talk about the Hatteker brand, we're discussing beard trimmers with guaranteed quality. This brand offers everything from waterproof precision shavers to professional clippers at all pretty affordable prices. Although not all that well known, the company guarantees 100% professional, fast, and quality shaving. The device we're looking at has an elegant design that gives you a precise grip and comfort in your hand to facilitate maneuvering in any part of your body. You have a set of accessories that helps you maintain personal hygiene of the whole body. The trimmer has guide combs that you can easily adjust for the close beard you want. And if you want more precision, it has an innovative trimmer for small areas. The product also has a nose and ear hair trimmer. The kit includes elements that you can adapt to your full-body shaver. In addition, this modern shaver is silent with unsurpassed precision. You can shave the hair of any thickness and length. Furthermore, the device's weight and size do the job on its own, and you don't have to put pressure on the area to be shaved. Also, the power in the engine is not felt because it's quite quiet. All Hatteker parts are easy to attach and detach, and you can wash each one under running water. You can even clean the head with water. But still, we have to take into account that the machine as a whole is not waterproof. You should not wash the main part, only the accessories and the head. We're looking at a multi-purpose shaver, very complete, precise, and comfortable, both in holding and in the movement of the blades on your skin. You can use it all over your body. The best thing about this product is that it's quite affordable. It's a great investment to have as a home tool for personal use. The onboard battery gives you about 120 minutes of absolute independence and just 2 hours of charging. It's very effective and perfect for you to take with you wherever you want. Highly recommended. The next product we'll talk about on our list for today is the Wahl Aqua Blade, also known as the best mid-range beard trimmer available on the market in 2023. American Wahl offers its all-in-one solution with its Aqua Blade, which, in addition to meeting all expectations, also boasts water resistance. The Wahl Aqua Blade has the shape of a fairly small device. At first glance, one might imagine it was designed for travel, as its small size allows it to find its place in a toiletry bag easily. Barely visible, the LED light below the power button serves as an indicator when charging. On the contours of the product, the thick non-slip plastic coating reminds us that the Wahl Aqua Blade is waterproof. Not only can it be washed under clean water, but it can also be used in the shower to shave the body. When running on a lithium-ion battery, the shaver can last for 3 hours without recharging. The Aqua Blade comes with an impressive set of cutting guides, no less than 11 guide combs in the box: 1.4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 13, 19, 22, and 25 millimeters. And don't forget the guide comb with adjustable cutting height over 6 steps: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, and 12 millimeters. In addition to the self-sharpening steel blade to which various combs are attached, a shaving head with foil is also included in the package. Tested on a 3-day beard, but also on parts of the body like armpits, Aqua offers fast, clean, and straight cuts. Tested on the top of cheeks and lower part of the neck, the 3-blade shaving head does a neat job, even on stubborn hairs that can't resist it. And finally, we'll mention that the product comes in a package size of 10.73 by 5.8 by 2.29 inches, while its weight is 5.3 ounces. Good stuff, a thumbs up from here. Up next, we present to you the Bevel Pro Trimmer and Clipper, also known as the best professional beard trimmer available on the market in 2023. For several years, Bevel's basic trimmer has been a reliable device for guys with thick mustaches or ingrown hair-prone skin. It's great for detailing, spot checking, and near-close electric shaving, but it also lacks something significant, the ability to adjust the length to which you want to trim. Well, here comes the Bevel Pro Trimmer and Clipper, which combines the precision of a combination of a beard trimmer and a haircut. This is what barbershop dreams are made of. A weighted cordless device with the muscle needed for a clipper and the adjustability needed for both beards and scalps. There's a lot to like about the device, so let us take you through some of its best features. The product has a 4-hour charge, and its bright LED display shows battery life and spacing settings. You can adjust the gap between the guard and the blade from 0 millimeters to 2.5 millimeters with the push of a button, allowing for super close fading without any fumbling. This model also comes with interchangeable clipper blades and a trimmer, along with 5 interchangeable guard heads, 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4 by barbershop measurements for trimming up to ½ inch. And those protectors are easy to mount and dismount with a magnetic lock. Pro launches Bevel into the barbering stratosphere, along with beloved names like Andis, Wahl, and Baby Bliss Pro. It draws the same clean lines and has the same basic functions as the brand's original trimmer, but its versatility and dexterity with beard and hair make it one of the better combo devices. You can also pair the device with the Bevel Pro T-Blade for a wider blade for cleaner, closer, and faster cuts. This wider blade is about increased control for precise details, designs, and hard-to-reach areas. The Bevel Pro Clipper and Trimmer is an all-in-one tool designed for both professional barbers and home consumers. Designed with feedback from everyday enthusiasts and hairdressers, the Bevel Pro is packed with technologically advanced features, such as the world's first leverless electronic gap adjustment and pivot lock magnetic guards, making it a first-of-its-kind essential tool for great grooming. Thumbs up, that's for sure. Finally, we present to you the long-awaited gold medal and the best overall beard trimmer available on the market in 2023. Meet the Philips Norelco All-in-One. Among the most complete and versatile beard trimmers on the market, this Philips model stands out with 23 pieces adapted to different cutting needs. It includes different types of metal trimmers, for example, for nose and ears, for the hair, and for various cuts and lengths of the beard, among others. The device also has an aluminum razor. On the other hand, it includes 6 hair cutting guards, 3 beard trimming guards, 2 body guards, and 1 eyebrow guard, among others. The Philips Norelco All-in-One comes with a handy storage bag and a cleaning brush. This model has a powerful lithium battery. Its motor delivers just the right amount of power, enough to trim thick hair quickly, but not so much that a gentle glide removes most of your beard or mustache. The design feels nice and also saves space because the device can sit on the counter or in the medicine cabinet. As for battery life, it works for about 5 hours on a single charge, which is more than enough. The steel blades are designed to be self-sharpening with no need for lubrication. These electric shavers allow smooth shaving in all directions, and thanks to the steel precision blades, every pass leaves your skin even smoother than before. Plus, the waterproof design lets you shave in the shower or with a lather for added comfort. The device is fully charged in an hour and does not lack a fast charging function. Cleaning the trimmer will be easy, thanks to its water resistance. Overall, this model delivers premium performance at the best possible price-quality ratio. You wanted the best, you got it. So that's it for the top 5 best beard trimmers in 2023. Like, comment, and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.